Hey, it's Yusuf again, getting ready to show you how to use that doodle. So, what you do first is obviously you want to go ahead and log into your account. And since we've been using Google, you can actually quickly log in with your Google account and use the free version of this. So, basically, what a doodle is basically you sending out a poll of meeting times for when you and a group of people can meet. So, a doodle basically is I have like let's say eight like okay I'm the Black Student Union president. I have about 13 people on my executive board and in my cabinet it's like almost 20. And let's say I wanted to create a date where I need them to if you we're trying to figure out what our solidified good date is for like let's say an executive cabinet meeting. I would basically set up this doodle and say here are the times that are available for me and most of the executive board. These select times. Well, out of these select times, you're going to have to select what day is best for you and what time is best for you when it comes to meeting during the school year. And we base it off everybody's schedule. So let's try to do that. So let's say when we create a group meeting for the first time, let's say create meeting right there, right? Okay, cool. It's gonna load, of course. And of course, we're going to create the event. So what's the occasion? Well, I'm gonna call it a cabinet meeting. Well, I'll type it out. Executive. How about that? Executive cabinet. Location, let's say it's the Ernest Gaines Center inside of the library. And the note I'd add is come prepared with committee reports. And an open stomach. Because I have some food for them. Well, I should say empty, not open, empty stomach, right? Okay, cool. So this is the occasion. When I click continue, say what's the option? So for me, my best days were when we were selecting these was a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. Wednesdays and Fridays didn't quite work around my vice president's schedule. So hold on, it says connect your calendar. I would connect my calendar, but right now it's kind of all over the place, so I wouldn't do that right now. So it's asking me what are my best dates? What are the options? Well, if I'm looking at a weekly calendar, my best days were Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, like I said. But Wednesdays and Fridays didn't quite work for my board this year. So Mondays around about 6 o'clock was our best times. So, but let's say I want to give them an option for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday because I'm trying to select something. So let's say Monday, let's say Wednesday, and let's say Friday, all around the same time because everybody said that time was pretty good. And it would usually last about an hour, if not an hour and a half. And I'd say continue from that moment. So here are your settings. Obviously, there's a premium option. I mean, you can, give them a deadline and set like legitimate reminders. Um, you want them to be able to select whether or not that option is good for them, but you can only pick out of these three for that one. So I can limit the number of votes per option, first come, first serve. I can say I can limit it to a single vote, and so they can select only one option. But then I can say if I can do one, I can do it to where they can indicate if an option is not ideal for them. Or you can just make it confidential to where only I can see it. I can see the results as well, which I think is a good idea. So I'm gonna make it hidden. Let's say I click finish from here. So now I'm inviting my participants. Right now I would just invite, let's say myself. I would just invite. I'm like, oh well, you can invite. You can enter people's emails to invite them. You can edit the message to how you want it to be sent, or you can invite sharing the usual link. I would do the link. I would do the link, and the reason I would do the link right now is because I have so many people. And I would copy this link, right? And then I would just say, I think I would just say send. And there you go. So you've literally just created your poem, and people can reply to it. So it wasn't really hard. You just sign in, get her done. Thank you.